attacking the cats.
I've gone back to my old ways due to this heat doing nothing driving me insane. It's crazy. So let's just jack up. It's been a while. Let's just hope that it don't clog up this time. Let's have another one. And perhaps, for fuck's sake, innit, don't clog the shit. This is just a short phase. Man's moving differently right now, innit? I'm using all I have and going all out. I'm fed up with taking life for granted right now. I feel like a mouse.
Fucking mouth.
What up, man?
Fucking mouth.
I really seriously got me back in education, really. Been out around the projects, in and out. Someone's gonna smell a fish and think there's something going on with this. I need to stay clear from here and spend more time over there. That's just a figure of speech. So like I'm playing hide and seek with myself, trying to find myself. TikTok, yeah, I'm on a TikTok, yeah, I'm on there somewhere, talking to cats, check it out. I'm also in the live chats. Come and say hi also, come and get hi, you know, high protein, you know. But right about now, I'm stuck on this paranoia of a black cloud. I can't call it. I've just been moving mad right now, it's hard to tell you. I've smoked crack. See, if I told you what I've really been up to, you fruitcake, you'll happily pie-face me and judge me, really. I've been charging this one man for 10 quid a piece just to get him his cheese. That's a 3-5, 20 on top. Man's putting me in the 50s. Oh, it's not nothing over wrong and over mug, but giving it all the large rich man's weekend millionaire stuff just to end up to become a dud. Yeah, like so I'm playing brass music really badly because I can't play the violin that good or something. May no photo hobo, we don't give a shit about his crying brassy nature. Don't cry, Brian. Yo, fix up, you're acting out of character. Give me the guitar, I'll play for you. But whatever we make, I'm gonna have some telling you. It'll be like a guitar battle for you and for war. I'll show you a little few things or two. I got this sexy riff that I cooked up earlier. I'm a freestyler. Still under the weather with big black cloud of paranoia. Tightly holding the pipey. Not letting it smash, don't panic me. It's on the way home, hoping that the filth don't follow me.
You got a black cloud in me, yeah, for the next 3 weeks. 39.